The epic conclusion of the Grinch Cookie Saga, Part 3. So we're gonna put it all together, make some final tweaks, put them in a little bag, and there we go. Stay tuned. Alright, if you joined in the last episode, you saw how I completely butchered the outline of Cindy Lou Who. Let's see if I can do better with the non-outline. Slow and steady. Oh, it decapitated her. Oh well. Well, as long as it's one piece. Probably should use a spatula, but I like using this thing because it's got a handle on it. Alright, I think I can work with this. Hopefully, alright. Now the Grinch outline, hopefully I can get this one. Alright, slow, steady. Let me see here. So far, so good. Oh, I might have it. Oh, that one came off pretty good. Alright. Definitely like these. The outline on the Grinch is worth it, so. Alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. A little bit of the outline. Whatever. I can fix that. The little pom-pom. Alright, fine. But most of it came off. Alright, I can work with this. God, I hate these. This is the non-outline Grinch. Here's a tip for you. When you do something you mess up, just blame your wife or your husband. See? Or say your kids did it. Then people will be like, oh, that's cute. So anytime something's good, I did it. If something's bad, I say they did it. It's a tip for you. Now I'm going to make up some royal icing here. Here's another tip. I don't know, all these professional bakers, oh, just whip this, the egg whites and this, and it'll be soft white peaks. Yeah, okay. Use cream of tartar or meringue powder. There's a tip for you. It'll help stiffen it up. I'll put in just a little bit of the food coloring. All I want is just a light neutral gray so the colors will pop more. Kind of looks purple, but what are you going to do? I'm just going to slather these with much of this royal icing as I can. I'm just using like a slotted tip. Like I said, I'm not a professional baker, but I think I'm doing alright. And if you saw what Krispy Kreme put out as Grinch donuts, don't feel bad whatever you do, because if a company like that puts out something like that, I mean that's a stretch. Call that the Grinch. Looks like a frog. Alright, I'm just using the tool, spreading this out. Alright, I got it pretty even. That's good. Alright, now I'm going to take the Grinch I don't like. And I'm going to just place that on here. Try to get this all smoothed out. So I figure those will be my test ones. If I mess up, oh well, I hate those ones. At least they came in one piece though. Figures. Now I'm going to put the other one down here. I like the way the colors look though. And here we go. I was going to do a black outline, but I just didn't have the time to do it. So I think it looks pretty good seeing the sugar cookie, because people probably wouldn't realize it was a cookie. Probably think it was a coaster. So, oh well. Like I said, I don't like these, so I don't really care. This one, what are you gonna do? I'm sure it tastes fine. Alright. Just gonna keep on. Oh, there's the pom-pom. Okay. That works. Just set it in place there. Yeah. Alright. I mean, if those were detailed, it would look pretty good. Alright. Now the Cindy Lou Who non-outline. Alright, there's her body. Now let's get her severed head on there. There we go. I definitely like the non-outline Cindy Lou Who. I don't like the non-outline Grinch. And I like the Grinch outline. That's my favorite. And the Cindy Lou Who outline, it's alright, but it came apart too much. This one, see, I did it while the icing's still wet, so I can finagle it with these tools. There we go. Just gonna try to work everything into place. It's working. Alright, just smooth that out. I think this one's going to be pretty good. There we go. Alright. Now, see, these look good, but, see, I think they were just too small for the outline. And I can move this a little bit. Just tweak some things. This is the one that looks like she got hit by the Polar Express. Now, last but not least, I'm going to do my favorite, the Grinch outlines. Let me just ice these cookies. Just spread these out. I love this little set of tools from Hobby Lobby. It was like $1. You get a whole bunch of them. It's good for doing stuff like this. And you just spread it out. Nice and neat. There we go. Alright. Holding my breath. Come on, Grinch. There we go. Shifted a little bit, but... Oh, I got it. No. Alright. Oh. Piece of the outline. That's chocolate, though. There we go. That looks pretty good. I think maybe next time I'll just do all the Grinch outline. See, I was gonna do Max. I just didn't have the time to do it. Maybe next year I'll do Max. I made the template for it. So if you download them, it's there. Those look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with those. Now, I got these edible markers from Hobby Lobby. They do not write well on the chocolate. On the icing, they do okay. But I'm kind of leaving grooves in the icing, so I'm not really liking it. But it's nice having the control of a pen. Just put her antenna on, because there's no way I was doing that in chocolate. I knew better with that. That would have just fell right off. Should have waited with the bows too, but you live and you learn. Learn from my mistakes. Back to the squeezed chocolate. Yes, I'm gonna just do her antenna with the squeezed chocolate, with these writing bottles. I can't get all the antenna, but whatever, you get the idea. The Cindy Lou looked good. The Grinch, I'm just taking some more of the chocolate with a toothpick. I'll put in her smile. Try to put in the nose. Not gonna go too crazy. And little eyelashes. I don't want to ruin this with the details. But I think it's coming out alright. Here we go. Let's just get this. I'm not even going to bother putting the hook on the ball. I'll just put the little loop. I think those look good. The Grinch? Not so good. Starting to look like a Oscar the Grouch. I'm not liking this. I'm trying to just spread a lot of to get the bushy eyebrows, but it's not really working too well. Let me try to salvage the outline, Cindy Lou. Alright, the writing chocolate is working pretty good. I definitely like this with the writing chocolate. I've got a lot of control with these bottles, especially for these tiny little antennae. I think that one looks pretty good. It's not as... I don't think it's as good as the other one, but I figure I'll try the writing chocolate on these Grinch mess ups, but the chocolate's just drying up and trying to make the smile. Like I said, this one's just looking like Oscar the Grouch. It's like some kind of Muppet. Like I said, I'm just gonna say my kids did it, and everyone will be like, "Oh, how cute!" And these ones I did. Got some cookie boards, these cookie bags from Hobby Lobby. They should fit pretty nicely on them. See, I got the Grinch packaged up and just put Cindy Lou in there. Once I can get this bag open. There we go. Come on, get in there. Perfect. It's nice, it's got like a sticky thing on the back so you can just peel it off, fold the flap, stick it together, and then put a nice little bow on that and give somebody a nice little gift. Well, I'm happy with the way the outline ones turned out on the Grinch and the non-outline ones on Cindy Lou Who. Go figure. It was a half and half split decision. Hey, what do you think you're doing? No cookie for you.